What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nicole. I make videos every week. So in the last few months I actually made a video. It was one of my first videos ever in this channel, and that was the AliExpress video where I shared my personal experience and also the things that I ordered from AliExpress, and lots of people had questions about it. So this is just a follow-up from that video. Also be able to share a detailed tutorial on how to order from AliExpress. So I figured that I could share my screen and show you guys how to actually do that. Okay, so the first thing that you can do, you can just look for AliExpress on the website. I will just use the website, but if you do have the app, then you can just use the app. So yes, we're just going to click on the AliExpress website in the in. Okay, so yes, so this is what we're going to do. So we're just going to search anything that you want. So right now I'm just going to search wig. I think that's like the one that most people search for. I don't know. So yes, let's just remove everything that is here on the screen just to make sure it does not distract us. So yes, here I just searched for wigs. So you can see there's different results here. There's also ads as well from suppliers, but that is not what we're looking for. So what we're looking for me personally, I just click on the 4 stars that you see here. So 4 stars and up. So the reason why you're clicking there is to make sure that you get the best quality and also the highest reviews as well. So here we can see the first wig. This wig, one thing that is very important is the fact that they told us the number of items that are sold. So we can see 598 sold. So that is 598 people or sales. And then there's 4.4 stars. So that is very good. So let us click on this one. So even though we do not know the name of the supplier, but the reviews will never lie. The reviews will never lie. So another thing that is very important, yes, you can look at the pictures here. Maybe you can scroll and see different colors and all the pictures that they took. But these are not the best ones to look at because they always try to make them look good. So what you need to do is just go all the way down and look for customer reviews. So customer reviews are actually going to tell you the truth about the product. So we can see here all stars are 157. So that is 157 reviews, 159 reviews rather, 159 reviews, which is really good. So that is the best thing that you can do. So when you are searching for reviews, do not just look for 5 stars because that 5 stars can come from one person or two people. And what you need to see is the number of items that were sold from the store to make sure that it is a legit store, and also the number of reviews that people gave the store. So the best thing to do for you to see the quality is to actually click on the pictures here. So we can see the first one. We can see the first one here. We can see the wig. It looks good. It is a high quality wig, and this is someone different. And then we can look at another person. So this one is a bit curly, so different quality. So I can see this is a slightly different wig compared to the first one. So that means maybe they took a different one. And then even here, we can see this is a different wig as well compared to the other one. This has a touch of blonde. So you can go all the way down and see people who are like wearing the wigs and see how the wig looks on those different types of people, and also maybe to try to look for people who have maybe the same facial structure as you, same skin color as you, so that you can see how the wig looks on all those different types of people. So that is the main thing for me. I really like it when people share pictures, not just reviews. That is the one that I actually go for and actually buy a product for, because sometimes people will say whatever they are saying on the reviews, but if there's no proof for me, then I will not buy from that store. So you can see here almost every review has a picture, which is really good, which is really, really good. And yes, that is what you need to do. And another thing that you can do is just visit the store. So you can go and visit the store just to see more details on feedback as well. So the feedback percentage can actually tell you how satisfied people are with the store in general. So let us click on feedback and see. And when we click on feedback, it is actually going to tell us how long the store has been on AliExpress, and also the number of people who have bought from here and all of that. So here we can see the seller's name is Clickly or all of that. I don't know how to pronounce it, official store. And then positive feedback past 6 months has been 93.4 percent, which is really good. That means 93.4% of the people who bought in the last 6 months were satisfied with this product. And we can see here AliExpress seller has been here since 25th of March 2019. That is a very long time. If they were scammers, they would have been banned by now from AliExpress. But I'm not saying that, old stores cannot be scammers, but this one is looking super legit. And also we can see the reviews as well, how many ratings, so all of that. And we can also see in the first 1 month, so this is a 1 month review, 3 months review, and also 6 months review. So 1 month review would be the previous month. So if you are in October, September, this is how many reviews that they got. So positive reviews, they had 61, and then neutral was 1, and then negative was 4 reviews. So in total, that was 93.8. And then 3 months ago, they had 223 reviews, positive reviews, and then 1 neutral, and then 10 negative. So you can see comparing negative and positive, that means people are happy with the store. And also you can go down and see like actual review of people, what people bought. You can see the buyer and also what they bought, the transaction, and the review that they're saying. So they're saying the quality of the hair is awesome, the hair is soft and full, it's true to length. So these reviews are actually telling you that this store is actually super legit. And yes, you can move around and look at top selling items as well. Usually the top selling items usually have the best prices as well, and also the highest reviews, because people always jump for these ones. They always jump for these ones. So we can see there's a lot of good hair that is on sale. I mean, you get a nice wig hair for 900 and something, and you can always choose to change the size and also the length of the wig. So let us click on the wig one more time, and then you can see one more thing that is very important. So here we have different lengths. So obviously this is like very easy to understand. So you just change the inches, 12 inches, 15 inch, 14 inches, 26 all the way to 28, and then also the closure as well. You want a 4x4 or you want a 13x4. And then the most important thing is the shipping. So shipping options, let us click on more options and see the shipping options. So here we can see the first option is by Aramex. So I think this is the best one because of the price, but obviously this store maybe does not really ship to South Africa. So sometimes when they do not really ship to South Africa more often, their shipping fees are really high. Their shipping fees are really high. So what we can do is we can go back to another store. We can go to another store. So let us click on this store and compare. So that the most important thing on AliExpress is to compare prices and also quality, the pictures that you see on the reviews, and also shipping. So here we can see this is so much better. We can see the free shipping from China to South Africa via DPAX is 40, it is 7 to 15 days. So let us click on more options and see. So let us click on more options and see other options of for shipping. So we can see here, there's free shipping on this store. Let's click more options again. So yes, here we have DHL as well. So the best one is the one that they selected for us, which is the free shipping for DPAX. So DPAX will deliver in 7 to 15 days estimated. So that is estimated arrival. So the wig can actually arrive there earlier or maybe a day later, but it's never really late. AliExpress, they never send your stuff late. So it's always earlier or maybe in between those days or the time frame that they gave you. So yes, that is literally all you need to do. And also another thing that is very important is the money back guarantee. Money back guarantee, it's 75-day buyer protection. So that means you can always return your wig or your products within 75 days. So if you're not satisfied, you can return it and get your money back, or maybe you can switch wigs and get another one that you'd love to receive. And yes, another thing that you can do is contact. So I don't know if you guys can see. So here when there is our official store and feedback and number of followers, and also here there's a contact button. So you can click the contact button. If you are not really sure with all of that information that you found, you can just try to message the seller. So what you need to do here, you need to sign in with your details. So I will not be signing in with my details because me personally, I don't really do that a lot. I only sign in when I have to sign out, when I have to check out and pay. So that is where I am going right now. We can go, if we're satisfied with this product, we can just go and add to cart. Maybe let us select the other one. Let us select this one. Yes, let us select this one and then just click add to cart or buy now. It is still going to take you to the same place. So yes, now we can click on this one so we can see our items here. So you can just click on the actual product if that's the only product that you want to pay for, and then you can see your total is 1,600 rand for that hair. You can just click check out when you are done, and then that's where you need to sign in to your account and click and add your card and all of that, and then sign out. That's basically literally all you need to do. And also after buying, I'm not sure if I do have here, I did not sign in with my account, but after buying, the seller actually sends you a tracking number so that you can track how far your order is. And yes, that is all it is. But literally, the best thing to do is to always compare the number of reviews that you get from a store, and also all of that feedback and the quality from the reviews. I always check the pictures on the reviews more than anything, because the sellers, they always try to make the wigs look good for advertising. Obviously, we do not blame them for that. And yes, that's literally all you need to do. So yes, that is basically what you do when you are trying to order from AliExpress. And then we can make another example and try to order something else, maybe a phone case. You can say phone cases, and then all of that, you click what you are looking for, phone cases, and then phone cases, just like the wigs, we are going to get a bunch of stuff here on the first page, but that is not your main focus. Your main focus is high ratings. So you click on 4 ratings and up, and then that is where you see that the first one, that is actually good. The first one, the item sold at 3,058, and then there's 4.7 stars, which is good. The shipping is only 30 bucks. So I'm guessing maybe because it's not free shipping, it's going to arrive sooner than the other product. So yes, you do the same thing. You click on the store, you check for the feedback and all of that. So depending on the product that you are actually looking for. Yes, that is all I have for you guys today. Make sure you subscribe, and also tell me down below any questions that you have about AliExpress. I'm more than happy to actually answer all of those questions for you. And I can always make another video if you need another tutorial for something else. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.